Hi Guy, in this video, we reviews the 5 best carpet cleaners for 2024. The good carpet cleaner can help keep dangerous pollutants from accumulating inside your home. To test carpet cleaner's machine, we use each machine to clean a pre-stained, industry-standard white carpet, taking measurements before and after cleaning to determine each model's stain cleaning ability. We also assess how long it takes for carpets to dry, how adept each machine is at removing fresh and dried stains, how easy each appliance is to use, and more. If purchasing a carpet cleaning machine, you must determine if you are going to be using it for a large area on a regular basis, or if it is only for spot treatments between professional cleanings, says Ragsdale. If planning to tackle the project of cleaning an entire home, you will want a machine with a large capacity holding tank and availability of attachments for upholstery or drapes. Ranging from portable spot cleaners to powerful machines for whole home use, our favorite carpet cleaners are the next best thing to a professional cleaning in this video. Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner 1400B. A reliable cleaner, with caveats. This extraction cleaner gets stains out about as well as any model we tested, and it costs less than most. But it comes with only one cleaning attachment, and its tank is awkwardly designed. Though no portable carpet cleaner can magically erase every type of stain, the BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner 1400B did a respectable job, and it's among the most reliable and affordable spot cleaners available. If you're occasionally faced with food stains or gross messes, this machine will help you clean up. It has good cleaning power. Though it is far from perfect, this model received the highest overall scores over 2 rounds of testing. It removed Nutella, peanut butter, caramel syrup, yard dirt, red Gatorade, and Fanta soda better than its competitors. But, like all of the machines we tested, it struggled with blue Gatorade, red wine, and coffee. It still significantly lightened those stains, however. If you have darker colored or patterned carpet or upholstery, you might be satisfied with the results. It's easy to clean. BISSELL recommends cleaning the hose and the machine after each use to keep grime from building up and causing odors. This model comes with BISSELL's HydroRinse self-cleaning tool, which makes cleanup less of a hassle. Attach the HydroRinse tool to the hose, fill the clean water tank, turn on the machine, and press the trigger to flush it. The BISSELL Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner 1400B is a decent cleaner. It will come in handy if you occasionally clean food stains or wet messes from carpets, furniture, or the interior of a car. When we used this model's handheld suction brush along with hot water, cleaning formula, and a lot of elbow grease, the Little Green 1400B cleaned the best in our testing, removing stains like Nutella, peanut butter, yard dirt, and neon-colored Fanta better than its competitors. It lightened difficult stains like red wine, but it failed to remove them entirely. It comes with one brush tool, which works well for most situations. But its water tanks are somewhat inconvenient, and its hose is a bit stiff to maneuver. Number 2. Best Budget Carpet Cleaner, Hoover Power-Pet Advanced Carpet Cleaner. This upright carpet cleaner proved to be more effective than its price might indicate. It managed to remove long-standing stains and left our carpets smelling fresher and looking brighter, even in high-traffic areas. We particularly like that, despite the fact that it's an upright unit, it weighs just over 12 pounds, so it's easy enough to carry up and down the stairs with one hand. Its wide cleaning path makes quick work of wall-to-wall carpeting, but it also comes with an 8-foot hose and a pet attachment, so you can easily clean stairs and upholstery or spot treat stubborn stains. And its low profile easily slides under higher furniture, such as kitchen tables or beds, although you'll need to move any low-lying furniture out of the way. The 2 large tanks are easy to fill and empty. One full tank of clean water and solution is enough to tackle an entire bedroom. And they are easy enough to rinse out after each use, too. Our biggest complaint is that they did drip a bit when the cleaner was rolled over the carpet, though not so much that it ruined our cleaning job. And despite its compact size, it's one of the louder machines we tested. But given the price, we think this is a small sacrifice to make. Number 3. Shark EX201 Carpet Expert Upright Carpet, Area Rug and Amp, Upholstery Cleaner. The Shark Carpet Expert Upright Carpet Cleaner did a fantastic of cleaning my carpets. My home has several carpets. I have 2 pets and a family. Weekly vacuuming is the minimum required to keep the surface dirt under control in my home. However, stains from spilled drinks, animal matter, and dirty wet feet build up over time. There are some things we just do not have control over. Or so I thought until I gave the shark carpet expert a try. My cat left me a lovely pile of vomit on one of my carpets that very day I unpacked the carpet expert. How nice of her. I cleaned up the surface dirt with paper towels and a quick vacuum. I noticed that the entire carpet had stains from spilled liquids, foot traffic, and soda can rings. The carpet expert made quick work of all the stains and even stored some of the original brightness to the carpet. I have included before and after photos of the carpet in question. I also included a photo of the water tank wastewater and the mess left inside the nozzle so you all get a sense of what the carpet expert extracted from the carpet. Warning. It is gross. The carpet measures 8 feet by 10 feet. It took me about 30 minutes to clean and about 3 to 4 hours to fully dry. My basement has a specific sour smell that I simply could not find the source of. It turns out that part of my problem was the carpets. Dirty feet, dirty shoes, cat yak, food, drink, and other contaminants have all contributed to my carpet biome. Cleaning the carpets have vastly reduced the sour smell and most likely impacted my unwanted carpets biome. Number 4. Tineco Carpet 1 Smart Carpet Cleaner Machine. This model operated more smoothly, tackled common household stains better, and left the carpet drier than all of its competitors. The Tineco Carpet 1 Smart Carpet Cleaner cleaned our soiled test carpet more thoroughly, and left it drier and more revitalized than any other model we tested. It took ground and dirt in stride, and it tackled chocolate ice cream and caramel syrup better than any of its competitors. With its smooth construction and intuitive design, the Tineco Carpet 1 is easy to operate and comfortable to maneuver. Unlike some other models we tested, this model doesn't require you to hold and release a spray trigger during cleaning. It's also considerably quieter than most machines, emitting a hum rather than a deafening roar. Helpful voice prompts warn you if technical errors occur, and they remind you to refill or empty the tanks. An LED display shows cleaning progress and the carpet's dryness level, a useful feature that the competitors lack. It's an excellent cleaner. The Tineco Carpet 1 Smart effortlessly removed Coke, blue Gatorade, and urine. It took this machine fewer passes to remove ground and yard dirt than it took competitors. This model also excelled in tackling the oily, sticky stains that thwarted most competitors. This was the only carpet cleaner we tested that almost entirely cleaned up chocolate ice cream with caramel syrup and peanut butter, though it did take many passes on its max mode. The only foes this machine couldn't vanquish were red wine and the neon slime we ground into the carpet. Hardly any of the carpet cleaners we tested could handle every parent's worst nightmare. Number 5. BISSELL Little Green Hydrosteam Multi-Purpose, Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. I was immediately wowed by the compact size and light weight of this machine, which makes it easy to carry around and store. It's also easy to use. I did use the guide to get started, but it's really intuitive, so it does not take long to learn how to fill and use it. I was impressed with this machine before even turning it on, but it really blew me away when I started using it. I had a number of spots and stains on our family room carpet as a result of our messy kids and naughty pup, and the Hydrosteam pet dealt with all of them with ease. I could see the stains being lifted right out of the rug immediately, and the stains were completely gone with minimal effort. Both food stains and dog accidents were done within minutes. I happily moved up to our bedroom and was happy to find the same results. I have also tried my Hydrosteam pet on some dingy-looking grout in our mudroom, and it lifted much of that grime away. I will try again to see if I can get any more up, and our master bathroom shower is up next. I raved so much about it, my mom now wants a turn, so I'm packing it up today to bring to her to